Hello students. So today we are going to start chapter number 18 and the name of the chapter is Games We Play. In this chapter you can see first picture. There are some children who are playing one game and the name of that game is hopscotch. All the children were playing hopscotch in the lane. What all the children are doing? They are playing hopscotch. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing, but Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. She was not knowing about this game. So both sisters are playing, but Nandita was not able to play the game in right way. Why she is not playing in a right way? Because she don't know the rule of the game. So children, when we are going to start play any game, first what we have to learn? First we have to learn the game, how to play the game. So Nandita was not able to play the game in a proper way because she don't know the rules of the game. Okay, so whenever you are going to start playing game, first you have to understand what the rule of the game. Every time whenever you are learning some new games, first you have to learn the rule of the games. So Nandita was start learning how to play game. Now you can see Avantika. Listen to me carefully, Nandita. Now Avantika asked to Nandita that listen me properly, carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Now you have to understand it. Throw the marker in the first box. What you have to do first? First you have to throw the marker in the first box. Then on leg jump over this box, the next one. Now what you have to do? Now jump on the next box. Keep in mind you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes 4 and 5, 7 and 8. So the rule of the game is when you want to put both the legs together, that you have to put only in the box number 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Take care your feet should not touch the line, and in this game you have to just take care that your feet is not touch the lines, means the line which we had drawn you cannot touch them. If they touch you are out. If you touch that line you will be out of the game. When you reach the last box, turn around. When you reach last box, when you will reach last box, you have to turn around back. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now coming back, whenever you come back, you have to pick up marker back and come back. Now throw the marker in the next box. Now similarly you have to throw the marker in next box. So you have to throwing every boxes and you have to start the game. Similarly keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. This is the rule of the game. You have to learn properly. Okay, and you have to you have to put both your feet only in the box 4 and 5 and 7 8, and you are not allowed to touch any line. If you have touched the line you will out of the game. So this is the rule of the game. Avantika taught to the Nandita. Now Nandita will able to play the game properly. So every game you have to every game whenever you start playing you have to learn the rule of the game. Now see, the children started playing again. Since long, Kaki auntie was watching them play. You can see that in first picture that Kaki was watching the children when they are playing. Okay, so watching them play, she too felt like playing with them. So auntie also felt that she also want to play. She could not keep herself from asking. So she can't stop herself to asking the children that can I play with you? The children laugh aloud. Whenever Kaki asked to the children that she can play with them, so children are going to laugh. Okay, so you are also small children. Whenever some younger one or big one asks to you that they want to play, you are laugh on them, but there is no age for playing. Okay, so don't laugh to anybody. Avantika asked, Kaki, will you play? So Avantika asked to the Kaki that will you play? Kaki, do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? So Kaki said that do you think that I don't know how to play hopscotch? At your age we play so many different games. Kaki asked that when I was of your age I am playing so much different games. Nandita, which game did you play, Kaki? So Nandita asked that Kaki, which games you are playing? Which game did you play, Kaki? Kaki. Langdi, hide and seek, 7 tiles and so many more. In Kabaddi our team was the best among 10 villages. So Kaki asked that I am playing Langdi. Langdi, the game which we play with one leg. Hide and seek means we can hide anywhere. Okay, 7 tiles, there are 7 tiles, and with the balls we are playing that game, and many more other games. In Kabaddi, our team was best in among the 10 villages. Kaki asked that in Kabaddi, our team was best in the among the 10 villages. Nearby 10 villages, the Kaki team was the best among the village. Okay, Rajat, Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play. Rajat asked Chachi that how did you get so much time? We are only hardly get any time to play. So Kaki asked, you are so busy watching TV all the time. So Kaki asked the Rajat that you are so busy with nowadays with watching the TV all the time. Nandita, Kaki and did Kaka uncle play these games too? Kaki said, your Kaka says that he used to play marble, 7-tile, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget meals. Okay, when Kaka was flying the kites, he would even forget his meals. Means whole day he is so busy in playing the games, and when he flying the kites, he would even forget meals. He is not taking even meals. Okay, Nandita, Kaki do come and play. Now Nandita asked to Kaki, okay, Kaki come and play. So Kaki do come and play. Kaki started playing with the children. Okay, so now Kaki started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. When Kaki was started playing, well, she just started playing with short while the rain was started. The rain was started. All the children, oh no. Okay, all children are saying that, oh no, Kaki, let us go to my house, we will play inside. So Kaki asked all the children, let us go inside my house, we will play inside the house. The children were happy to hear this. Children was happy that Kaki said that, well, let's go and play inside our house. All the children, come on, let us go to Kaki's house to play. So all children are excited and they asked that, okay, let's go to Kaki's house. The children came to Kaki's house. Inside the house, Kaka and Foi were playing the chess. When they came inside the house, Kaka and the Foi, the uncle's sister, was playing. They both are playing chess. Avantika, what should we play? Rajat, let us play doll house, ghar ghar. So Avantika asked that what should we play? So Rajat asked that let's play doll house means ghar ghar. Okay, we can play with doll. Many children, yes, let's play doll house, ghar ghar means we can play with the doll. Rajat, if we had a doll, we could have played with it. So Rajat asked that if we are having a doll, we will play with the doll. We play with the doll. Kaki, do you want a doll? Let us make one right away. So Kaki asked that you want doll, so I will make a, right now we will make a doll. Let us make one right away. Kaki took out some old clothes. So Kaki came with a old cloth. With Kaki's help, children made a doll. With the help of Kaki, children had made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and others ludo, and the other children wanted to play carom and other want to play ludo. They formed groups of started playing, and they make a groups and they started playing. Some are playing doll house means ghar ghar, some are playing ludo, and some are started playing carom. So they have made their groups and started game